B-I-G-Z, VIP we. Every day girl a pray me, I watch me like TV. Lifestyle flashy, don't try price taggy. New set of gears, design on me a rocket. Money enough up in a pocket, car top, we a drop it. Champagne in a hand.
Sweet blood clot, y'all. You not get one house so tight pussy I want y'all. Oh, you fuck. Every day you fuck. You not get one house and care on my land. You want bang for yourself. Your pussy can't work that. Yeah.
Yeah, fool, you can't shoot me out there. You have to show us food different to my man. Say that my family
Come here now, who that?
What's my legal life that you don't realize you don't man? What's my legal life that I see it? Let's say what's my legal life? You fix your blood clot, man. You must say when put the nails you dirty man. I'm stuck on my wall. I'm stuck on my good time juju pussy. I want shit by your tongue nasty man. We're stuck on my car. Dirty man.
No, you know where I stop. Drop. Yes, fucking drop. I said I beat your mother. Come to the sister wood.
This 11-year-old boy claims he is being haunted by a ghost. For the past week, word of the so-called Duppy has caused alarm on Martin Street in Spanish Town. The family says they've tried praying for the boy and taking him to church, but the ghost would only follow them inside, causing havoc, pulling the boy and throwing objects wherever he goes. Our news team was in the neighborhood Wednesday night to witness some of the events that have residents convinced of an otherworldly presence. Watch closely and judge for yourself.
Right now. Yeah. Yeah.
They say that's how it's been for the past several days. The boy says the ghost is actually a friend who died 4 years ago. He claims the friend suddenly started appearing to him wearing a white top, black pants and a black watch. It's been nothing but chaos for the family and neighbors.
Him licking him down, him drawing him flinging the figurine, him fling the slippers, him lick me in my back, him lick me in my yes temple with like the little stone. Him just a fling and draw him out of the bed, draw him in a corner, draw him everywhere and go.
I go around there and I feel this whole pa eat and thing. So like I couldn't breathe and I end up that him run out and me there and I say, yo, me not see nothing. So I end up I come out now and when I turn my back, one lick me get in my back with a figurine.
Watch again as our news crew filmed a second incident similar to the accounts we were given. This time, the boy claims he sees the ghost standing near the wall and goes over to stand next to it.
Touch her? Tell me when I touch her. Am I touch her? Am I touch her foot? Yeah, what?
So, is the Martin Street Duppy real, or are the events the expert acting of a mischievous child? Kalila Enriquez, CBN News.
One press. Yo, Bellevue ENT. You remember when we used to dream? To live big, I overlook the world, on a